So before we jump into session, guys, I would like to know about your educational background as well as your professional background. So let's start with Abhijit.
Good morning. Good morning, all. I'm Sally Naik. I'm from Pune. I did my computer engineering from Pune University. I have a total 10 years of experience in software. I'm from the automation testing background.
Okay,
So
that's great.
currently, I'm looking to switch my career. So I'm here today. Thank you.
Sure, sir. I appreciate that. Thank you. So yeah, hi Mahesh, Rajita, Kavita.
Hi, Abhi. Good morning,
Yeah, hi.
everyone. Okay, I'm Ragita. I'm from Chennai. I have completed a B biomedical engineering, so I have 9+ years experience in software testing, and now I'm like a Oracle functional consultant.
Okay, that's great. Okay.
Now I want to learn the Workday now.
Sure. Oh, sure, Rajita.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah. Hi, Kavita.
Hi, Abhi. Good morning, all.
Good morning.
I'm basically in Bangalore. I'm currently working in US recruitment. Just I want to upgrade in my professional field, so that's the reason I'm trying to learning Workday.
Sure, Kavita. Yes. Yeah. Any other ones, Mahesh? Okay. So first, let's see what is Workday, guys. Okay. So Workday is a leading provider of enterprise cloud applications for finance, HR, and planning. Founded in 2005, Workday delivers financial management, human capital management, and analytics applications designed for the world's largest companies, education institutions, and government agencies. Organizations ranging from medium-sized businesses to Fortune 50 enterprises have selected Workday. So Workday is a cloud-based application, guys. That means we don't have to install Workday. Okay, we don't have to install Workday. You're going to access, or anyone going to access Workday through a URL and also with proper credentials. Okay, with proper credentials, like how you access your Facebook account or how you access your Netflix subscription. The same way you're going to access Workday through a proper URL. So it was founded in 2005. It deals with HCM, human capital management, financial management, student information systems, and as well as analytics applications. And Workday got customers from different industries, guys, from different sects. For example, we have profit organizations like companies, largest companies, and we have education institutions, government agencies, and also governments. Like for example, Michigan state government or Oklahoma, a lot of European governments are actually using Workday as their human resource partner. And not only large scale, but also we have medium-sized businesses are also part of our Workday domain, our family. And who started Workday? Workday was founded by David Duffield, this gentleman, founder and former CEO of ERP company PeopleSoft, along with former PeopleSoft chief strategist Anil Bhusri. So PeopleSoft is also an ERP company, guys. Okay. Before Workday, this gentleman, along with Anil Bhusri, running PeopleSoft, and they sold PeopleSoft to Oracle in the year of 2005, and then they started Workday. And now Workday is the biggest competitor for not only PeopleSoft but also most of the ERP tools that we have in market. And close to 60% of the market share is commanding by the Workday nowadays. So that's a good number, guys. Okay, 60%. And we have close to 10,000 customers that uses Workday in different industries, from different industries. Like in communications, we have AT&T, Sprint, education, Yale, Stanford, AMU, Energy and Resources, Chevron, BP, and HP. Financial services, Wells Fargo, Bank of America, healthcare, Bay Area Hospital. So we have a lot of customers, guys, from different industries. Like I said, not only profit organizations, non-profit organizations, colleges, universities, schools, and also like non-profit agencies and government agencies and governments also. So we have customers from all over the world from different industries. And key points about Workday, guys. Very important points. You need to know these, and some of these points are going to be asked in the interview also. So cloud-based. So Workday, like I said, Workday is a cloud-based application that you can access your Workday through an URL with proper credentials. Okay, you don't have to install. So with public internet, with public network, you are going to access Workday. Integrated suite, very important key point, guys. See, Workday provides a unified platform that combines HR, finance, and planning functions, allowing organizations to manage their entire workforce and financial operations in one system. So, what does this mean? See, most of the ERP tools that do we have in market maintain separate databases, guys. For HCM, they maintain a separate database. For finance, they maintain separate database. For analytics and application, they maintain separate database. So what happens if you have multiple databases? First, you need to establish internal connections, okay, for to retrieve the data. And of course, if you have to connect with the third-party applications, again, you need to maintain external connections, which is going to take a lot of time and resources. Here in Workday, we maintain a single common database, guys. With that, you can access any data, your employees' data, workers' data, students' data, your suppliers' data, any data, guys, that relates to your organization, you can easily retrieve from this single common database. And it is most important key point, guys. They will definitely going to ask you in the interview. So please do keep this in mind. And then human capital management. Workday's SEO module include features for managing employee data, recruitment, onboarding, performance management, compensation, talent development, and also other modules as well, guys. It helps organizations optimize their human resources and align them with business objectives. So next, financial management. Workday's financial management module enables organizations to handle financial planning, accounting, procurement, expense management, and financial reporting. It provides real-time insights into financial performance, streamline processes, and enhance financial governance. So, guys, the beauty of our training is here we are going to cover both technical as well as functional concepts that we do have in Workday. Not only that, but also we are going to cover 50% of the financial management's curriculum in our training. That means, let's say 2 years from now, 3 years from now, if you want to move to finance, you only need to learn remaining 50%, guys. So this will give you a lot of good advantage during the interview process. Okay. And planning and analytics. See, Workday offers advanced planning capabilities, allowing organizations to create financial forecasts, budgets, and operational plans. It also provides robust reporting and analytic tools to gain actionable insights and market data driven decisions. So, what does this mean? See, if you can master Workday report writing tool, such a beautiful tool, guys. If you can master that along with calculated fields, you don't need to worry about remaining modules in Workday. And why so? Because that tool gives you a lot of capabilities to represent your data not only in data sets, but also you can represent data in any pictorial way you want, guys. And the best advantage is if you can master this particular module, which is Workday reporting module, you don't have to learn any third-party visualization tools like Power BI or Tableau. Everything is inbuilt in the Workday, guys. For that reason, a lot of customers are actually migrating to Workday because of this planning capabilities, guys. Okay, this reporting capabilities. And we are going to spend quite a bit of time on the Workday reporting. A lot of my trainees are actually settled down in Workday reporting, guys, as reporting managers, reporting analysts. Okay, so we are going to spend quite a bit of time in Workday reporting. And other key points, user-friendly interface. See, Workday got one of the best clean-cut UIs, guys. That means you are going to access everything through a smart search, but no complicated menu type of structures, no nothing like that. Okay, easily you can access your data through a single search bar. That means you can build anything, you can access, you can test everything through that particular search bar, guys. Of course, you're going to have a small menu where you can customize as per employee requirement. For example, let's say Rajita is, let's say she's a compensation analyst. Okay. So her menu totally depends on the compensation module only. If let's say I'm part of a reporting team, so my menu is going to be only deals with the reporting tasks and tools. So what I'm trying to say here it is each and every employee can customize their own menu, guys. There is no common one unified menu here in Workday. That's the beauty of it. Okay. And then scalability and flexibility. So here your client might start with a couple of licenses initially. So Workday follows a strict license subscription model, guys. And here initially your client might start with a couple of licenses, and then as they grow, they can purchase more licenses. We have the scalability and we have the flexibility option, to be honest. And then continuous updates. See, another key important point, and you need to remember this, guys. So what are continuous updates? Workday every year in the month of March and September releases new functionality, guys. Please do remember these 2 months, month of March and September. Okay, and here we are going to test that new functionality, and finally we are going to implement those functionalities in our tenants for our clients. And mobile accessibility. Yes, we got mobile applications and we can access our Workday application through those mobile applications as well. Strong security measures. See, Workday revolves around security, guys. Workday revolves around security. And regardless of your title, regardless of your profile in Workday, you need to have a good understanding on security as well as business processes. Okay. And we are going to spend quite a bit of time on these two concepts. Trust me on this when I say a lot of institutes and a lot of trainers doesn't even spend a couple of sessions on these two concepts, guys, securities and business processes. We are going to spend quite a bit of time, not only because of the interview process but also for knowledge purposes, guys, because like I said, regardless of your title, you need to have a good understanding, good knowledge on these two particular concepts. Okay. Overall, Workday offers a comprehensive cloud-based solution for managing HR, finance, and planning processes, empowering organizations with streamlined operations, data-driven insights, and enhanced employee experiences. Finally, so here we provide not only up-to-date curriculum, guys. See, when I say up-to-date curriculum, every 2 or 3 months we update our curriculum because we want to match our curriculum with the market requirements or with the client requirements, guys. What is the point of training you on outdated curriculum, right? What is the point? So that's the reason why every 2 or 3 months we update our curriculum. And the beauty of this is every time we add new concepts or new modules, we send an invitation to all of my past trainees. Why so? Because let's say 6 months from now, we added a module, new module, a full-fledged module, and we will send you an invite for to learn that module as well at free of cost. So already you paid one time, so why to pay again and again? Okay. So that's one thing with this up-to-date curriculum. And also, you're going to have access to valuable resources such as soft copy materials, tenant access. So Workday tenant access is nothing but Workday cloud-based application, guys. When I say Workday tenant, I'm referring to cloud-based application. And you will get 3 real-time projects, which will give you enough experience on how the real things work, guys. See, I'm not going to say you will get all the experience you need, but it will give you enough experience for to crack the interviews. And also, here you are going to get soft copy materials, assignments on each and every module, guys. On each and every concept, you are going to have an assignment, and we are the first ones who are doing in market, guys. We are conducting online exams, 10 different online exams we are doing, guys. These exams not only test your knowledge but also make you or help you to prepare interview purposes, guys. So you can crack interviews, and 70 to 80%, I can assure you, of those interview queries are going to coming from these 10 exams. And our objective is to get 100% accuracy in these exams so that you can take these exams as many times as possible, guys. Okay. So we are the first ones who are conducting these exams, online exams, and scenario based interview queries. Why the scenario based interview queries? See, during interview process, they are not going to ask you to define something. They will throw you a scenario and they want to know how you're going to resolve that issue. So we are going to discuss a lot of scenario based interview queries, and after the completion of the training, we are going to design your resume, guys, a professional resume. And after that, immediately we're going to conduct mock interviews, which will help you to face the real interviews, guys. Okay. See, our commitment extends beyond this training as we offer dedicated after training support to address any queries or challenges faced by trainees during their workday journey. So here, if you once you complete your training, let's say 2 months from now or 1 month from the training, you have some queries or you have some issues during the interview process, you can simply connect with me through that WhatsApp support number, guys. Not only that, twice a month we run practice sessions on weekends. Twice a month you can simply attend those practice sessions as well, guys, and you can interact with me, you can communicate with me. So even after completion of the training, you can still be in touch with me. Okay, you can still be in contact with UpTaught. All right, any queries so far, guys? Any queries? Okay, let me show you the curriculum, guys. Just give me 1 second.
Excuse me, can I ask?
Both functional as well as technical modules. Okay. And here, first, let me show you the cover the modules, functional modules and technical modules. So let me read it out, guys. Here we are going to cover different types of tenants, which is tomorrow's agenda, guys. We are going to cover different types of tenants. Then core concepts and navigation basics, organizations in Workday, staffing models, jobs and positions, and we are going to have our first online exam. Then we are going to have our compensation module, second exam, business process, third exam, security groups. These two guys, very important. Regardless of your title, you need to have good understanding. Then we are going to have our next exam, data sources and business objects. Then report writing and calculated fields. See, report writing, guys, such an important module. See, if you can master report writing and calculated fields, you can have a beautiful career in Workday, guys. I'm not saying other modules are not important. If you like dealing with the data, okay, if you want to be a data analyst, or if you like dealing with data mining, such type of things, you're gonna love these modules. And a lot of companies or organizations actually migrating to Workday because of these two modules. Then we are going to have a fifth exam, guys. Then we are going to start with the technical part of the work there. First, we're going to start with EIBs, Enterprise Interface Builder. Here, we are going to cover two types of integrations. One is inbound and the other one is outbound. So two types of integrations. Then we are going to cover core connectors, which is also an integration technology, but it is more complex than EIBs. Then we are going to cover payroll, peak-off, and PG. See, peak-off is payroll integration common output file. PG is payroll effective change interface. Here, peak-off is the old technology, guys. PG is the new technology. Most of the clients are actually using PG only. However, there are some clients are still using peak-off. Okay, some clients are still using peak-off. For that reason, we are going to learn peak-off as well. We never know for which client we are going to work for. For that reason, we are going to cover both technologies as well. Then we are going to have our sixth exam. Custom objects and field types. Here we are going to use custom objects for to create custom stuff in the Workday, guys. Okay, and then editing worker profile using different tasks. See, why we added this module is it is not so hard, but it is important as well because some of our trainees want to put some type of experience, work experience. For them, we help them out. Sorry. For them, you need to have a good understanding on how to edit these things. See, if you put some experience on your resume and if you don't know how to edit your worker profile, they can easily say that it is a fake profile. So for that reason, we added. And recently, from last couple of months or so, in interviews, they're asking these queries. So that's why we recently added a couple of modules. And then you're going to have final exam. And not only that, these exams, guys, but also you're going to get exams on client handling, problem solving. I want to handle your, clients with different attitudes, different things. So we're going to cover those as well in our exams. And here, impressive success rate. UpTaught boasts a remarkable 85% success rates in launching over 1,000 trainees into successful workday careers. This high success rate underscores the effectiveness of UpTaught's training methodology and its commitment to preparing individuals for real-world workday challenges. Innovative online exams and then interview preparation. Finally, guys, first mover advantage. What is this first mover advantage? See, we are not only conducting online exams, guys, but are also we conducting mock interviews. See, when I say mock interviews, guys, it's real time interviews that will really going to help you out during your interview journey, interview process. Okay, and after completion of your training, okay, you are eligible or you are qualified for to apply for these profiles, guys. Okay, Workday professional, functional consultant, HCM consultant, compensation analyst, organization analyst, reporting analyst, integration analyst, technical analyst, support analyst, and finally techno functional consultant. Okay, all these profiles your opportunity is going to be increasing, guys. Okay, and I forgot to mention about my profile. So this is Abhi, and I got my bachelor's degree in computers, and I got my master's degree in finance from MSU in Michigan. And then I got a work experience in Workday close to a decade, and with multiple certifications in the same Workday domain. And as coming to my training experience, guys, so far I've trained over 450 plus students from different countries, not only from India, from US, UK, but also from Africa, Middle East, even from Southeast Asia. I trained a lot of people. And that's my profile. And the floor is open, guys. If you have any queries, please do ask. I just want to see what type of knowledge that you got on Workday, guys, so that I can adjust my training process. Okay. So just give me 1 second. Let me share you this exam. And you don't need to take this exam here itself, guys. You can take this during after that, after this session, you can take that exam, but complete this exam before tomorrow's session. Okay. Just give me 1 second. Let me share you the link. Guys, please check your chart, Microsoft chart. And yeah, complete this exam, guys. Okay. Tomorrow, we're gonna start with different types of tenants, which is a prerequisite and most important concept. Yes. Any other queries, guys? Kavita, Mahesh, Kavita.
No, Abhi.
Okay, guys. So please copy that exam and please acknowledge that you got this exam link, and then we can leave the session, guys.